You may have noticed icicles starting to form on your roof or your garage. Now, while they may look cool, they also can be the sign of a costly problem.
Yeah, ice dams can sneak up on homeowners with leaks and water damage. Meteorologist Audrey Lee explains what you can do to stop them before they start.
A fresh blanket of snow is pretty to look at, but it can hide a costly problem.
Literally any amount of snow on the roof that can melt can cause an ice dam.
While icicles may seem normal during the winter, large icicles can indicate a bigger problem.
The icicles are a byproduct of an ice dam. The bigger the icicles, the bigger the root, the bigger the ice dam.
Ice dams form when snow melts on your roof, then refreezes at the edges, creating a dam which prevents proper drainage.
And because shingles aren't designed to hold water, they're designed to shed water. The water ends up getting into your house.
This can cause water damage, mold, even lead to structural issues for your home. There are warning signs.
Little icicles growing on your siding. That's the last warning sign you'll see before it actually enters your house.
So how do you prevent ice dams? The best course of action is to keep snow off your roof.
Everybody's looking for a way to avoid hiring the professionals. I don't blame them. We don't ever recommend climbing up on your roof and shoveling for obvious reasons. But if you have a roof rake or you can buy a roof rake, just getting as much snow off your roof as possible.
Having proper insulation and ventilation in your home also makes a difference. And while salt works to melt the ice in your driveway, you shouldn't use it on your roof.
We are not fans of putting salt on your roof. Whatever chemical or product you put on your roof is coming into your house. So if you had water coming into your living space, now you have salty water.
By clearing snow and having good attic insulation, you can save yourself a few $1,000s and a headache. If you're seeing signs of an ice dam forming, address it early. Meteorologist Audrey Lee, Fox 11 News.